Xiaomi Viomi V2 Pro, can you imagine that you can walk on the floor with bare feet and no need of worrying about the debris or other granules? Laser navigation Xiaomi Viomi V2 Pro, 360-degree laser scanning, LDS radar ranging, SLAM algorithm real-time construction of the whole house environment map, intelligent planning cleaning path, Mi Home app remote control. You can manually control the Xiaomi Viomi V2 Pro sweeper, just like a remote control car. Xiaomi Viomi V2 Pro Mi Home app control. Make an appointment to clean, regularly clean, name the area, view the cleaning path in real time, and set the no cleaning area. Xiaomi Viomi V2 Pro spins around the center in spiral or in circular patterns. You can get Xiaomi Viomi V2 Pro to focus on cleaning a particular area with spilled milks or other smudges. Because Xiaomi Viomi V2 Pro will work in the safety areas we demand and never get over the visual wall, it's a special feature in the intelligent system for Xiaomi Viomi V2 Pro. We can leave our house to the robotic cleaning with an ease.